Back here at the island job, we're on the mainland, and this is where the trail is to get over to the little boardwalk. We've already been cutting out this a bit, and I've already moved some stuff with the hoe, but we're getting her cleared out here a bit. Dad's gonna grab the extend-a-saw and cut a bit of that maple top off. And then that goes into the neighbor's spot, and that's the trail down to the boardwalk. So we'll just keep poking away here. It's nice to have the hoe today. We'll get right at this. Finally made it into the little turnaround area. That's the trail to the island. And that's kind of what we're left with here. Dad was out of gas for the saw, so he was going to get more fuel, and then we'll carry on, see if we can get down to the boardwalk. Got the landing all cleared out yesterday, and this is where we made it to. Getting pretty close to the lake. It's just kind of a walking path from here down, but I think I'm gonna go right through there, get the rest of the logs and the brush moved off, and then that'll be good. What a mess though.